Well, good morning everybody. It is very AM out. So a good buddy of mine's in town and we wanted to fly the drone last night, get some pictures, but it was 111 degrees at sunset, which is a little too warm for the drone. So it's 4:30 in the morning right now. It's about 88 degrees. So for those of you who are familiar with the desert, you know that you're probably watching this video about a month and a half later. It's actually the end of July. So I've been filming a lot and queuing up my videos for all of you guys because I'm about to enter a really busy time with work. Business is excellent right now, which means I'm also going to be doing a little bit of traveling. So I'm just trying to catch up here and pull ahead so I can keep 2 videos a week content coming to you guys. So we're out here, we've got some clouds. Looks like we might get a beautiful sunrise. Let's get things ready.
I can be with you wherever, stay at home or in a foreign land. I can stay like this forever, 'cause I got the world in my hand.
So it just started to get some color in the sky behind these mountains. So I'm gonna get the camera set up as well, just in case we get some beautiful shots here from the ground. All right, well, we still got some darkness up here. I'm gonna at least send the drone up for a couple of minutes, just kind of get an idea of what a sensor can do in these light levels, and see if we can do anything with the street lights here as well. So still a little too dark out for the drone's camera, so we're gonna do some landscape photography here with our ground-based camera, because it looks like it is going to be a beautiful sunrise. Oh, we got some beautiful purple up in the sky right now. Let's get this.
And the sunrise was just as spectacular from the sky. Something I've been putting a lot of work into is developing my techniques to doing aerial panos, which I am going to share with all of you in a later video. Even though it looks like I'm just out here having fun, I'm actually trying to learn how to fly my drone in ways that is going to give you very cinematic imagery. I've also been practicing taking the drone up in different weather conditions, like for example, during a monsoon.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that little flight this morning. So what I was doing is trying to capture some more footage here in the Sonoran Desert, also getting some panos up in the sky, and of course I did a hyperlapse of sunrise both in the air and on the ground. So I'm still trying to learn all the little bells and whistles that come with a DJI Mavic Pro 2, and I can tell you right now, I really like this drone. So I'm excited to be able to take it to different places. I've been scouting some different sites around the area where I can launch from. So we're going to be taking the drone out hopefully after work this week and checking the area out.
Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button to follow me on my journeys and pick up some photography tips along the way. I would also appreciate a thumbs up and a comment or two. See you all in the next adventure.